Hello everybody and welcome back to Sew Practical, Sew Fun. The more I'm getting into machine embroidery, the more I love it. And the more I realize there are faster and easier ways to get going. If you're still using the hoops that came with the machine, let's see what it looks like to level up with magnetic hoops. The magnetic hoops come in all different styles to go with the embroidery machine you have. Make sure you double check the model number of your machine when you buy. The three main reasons for using magnetic hoops from now on is number 1, zero hoop burn. No more hoop rings around your delicate fabrics. Number 2, the thick factor. Towels, sweatshirts, denim, they snap right in place with no struggle. And number 3, speed and accuracy. You can securely hoop any project quickly and lining it up exactly where you want it. There's no stretching or pulling. So here's how to hoop it. First, lay the stabilizer down and then align the fabric on top. Start by placing the magnets along the top. Be sure the fabric is pulled straight and tight, and then snap the bottom magnets into place. I like to do the right side next and make sure the fabric is tight again when you snap on the left side. And look at that tension, perfectly stable, zero shifting, and I don't need to use much energy to get the fabric hooped. If you're working with a difficult project to hoop, like a t-shirt, secure the stabilizer first. I like to wrap it at the top and then tape the back with painter's or washi tape. Then wrap the bottom the same way and tape it. That way the stabilizer will stay in place on the hoop as you set up the top where you want it. Once the magnets are in place, you can remove the tape on the back. The hoops have this texture on the top to better hold the fabric. When you're not using the hoop, don't store the magnets on it or they could damage the texture. Keep the magnets stacked together away from the hoop for storage. These magnets are really strong, so make sure you keep your fingers away as you stack them. Please check the links in the description to find the right fit for your machine. Hit that like button if you're ready to ditch plastic hoops, and be sure to subscribe for more home embroidery tutorials coming soon. Happy sewing!